It all starts with the choice of raw material. The leather used to make high-quality shoes must meet rigorous standards. It must be soft to the touch, but also durable enough to withstand daily wear and tear. Each piece of leather undergoes a thorough inspection, where experts assess its texture, uniformity, elasticity, and strength. Only the finest materials are selected to ensure a comfortable, stylish, and long-lasting final product. In addition to visual and tactile inspection, the leather may undergo laboratory tests that assess its moisture absorption capacity, tensile strength, and elasticity. This is essential to ensure that the material will not crack, peel, or lose its shape over time. Choosing the right leather is one of the most important factors for high-quality footwear. But selecting the right leather is just the beginning. Before being used to make high-quality shoes, it undergoes a treatment and tanning process. Tanning is a crucial step as it transforms the raw hide into a material that is resistant to time and wear. There are different types of tanning, such as vegetable tanning, more ecological and traditional, and chemical tanning, which makes the leather more malleable. This process ensures that the leather is more flexible, resistant to humidity and sweat, and preserves its natural texture. After tanning, the leather is dyed and treated to ensure the desired color and a flawless finish. Now, it is ready to be cut and shaped into high-quality shoes. Once the leather has been properly treated and prepared, a crucial moment in the production process arrives: the transformation of this raw material into perfectly shaped pieces. Cutting and shaping are essential stages in footwear manufacturing that require precision, skill, and advanced technology to ensure that every component of the shoe fits perfectly during assembly. The cutting process can be performed in two ways: manually, by highly skilled artisans who use traditional blades and molds to cut each piece with extreme accuracy, or through automated laser cutting machines, which guarantee efficiency and uniformity in large-scale production. Both methods, while differing in technique, share the ultimate goal of achieving precision and high-quality results, and each has its unique advantages depending on the scale and style of the shoe being produced. Leather is a versatile material, but in shoe production, its precision cutting is a must to ensure the final product not only fits properly but also provides the necessary durability and aesthetic appeal. Shoes are composed of many different parts that each require cutting with great precision. For example, the upper part of the shoe, or the capital, which covers the top of the foot, needs to be carefully cut to maintain both the shoe's comfort and its overall design. This piece must not only provide a good fit but also have a smooth and attractive appearance, which is why accuracy in cutting is so critical. Similarly, the inner lining, which plays a key role in the comfort and fit of the shoe, is also meticulously cut, ensuring it perfectly complements the outer leather and adds a layer of softness to the foot's contact surface. The insole, essential for providing support and comfort while walking, is shaped to seamlessly fit the structure of the shoe. Proper insole cutting is a key part of creating an ergonomic shoe that supports the foot's natural arch and movements. If the insole is not cut with the correct measurements, it could cause discomfort or even damage the overall foot health of the wearer. As a result, the insole must align with the shoe's design and serve its purpose to perfection. Another critical component in shoe production is the sole. The sole can be made of different materials, such as rubber, leather, or other durable materials, depending on the shoe's intended use. It is carefully molded and cut to ensure proper adhesion to the upper part of the shoe, and to guarantee both durability and traction. The sole must also complement the design of the shoe, offering both style and practicality. Whether it's a rubber sole for grip or a leather sole for a refined look, each material requires a distinct cutting approach to achieve optimal functionality and appearance. In the case of traditional handcrafted shoe production, the artisan will often use specialized tools such as knives, chisels, and precise measuring instruments to cut each piece of leather and other components by hand. This method, while time-consuming, results in a high degree of craftsmanship. Handcrafted cutting allows artisans to focus on the uniqueness of each shoe, ensuring that no two pairs are exactly alike, and the final product showcases the artistry and skill involved. On the other hand, when it comes to large-scale industrial production, automated cutting machines have become the standard. Laser cutting, for example, is an advanced technology that uses high-powered lasers to make extremely precise cuts through leather and other materials. This method can handle large volumes of materials quickly and efficiently, offering a high degree of uniformity across many shoes being produced at once. Laser cutting machines can be programmed to follow intricate patterns and shapes, producing identical cuts for every shoe in a batch. This process ensures efficiency without sacrificing the precision required for top-tier footwear production. After the leather and other components are cut to the required shapes, they undergo strict quality control. Small defects or imperfections in the cut can significantly affect the fit, comfort, and durability of the shoe. For instance, a slight irregularity in the upper part of the shoe could result in uncomfortable pressure points or improper fitting, while an imperfection in the sole could compromise the shoe's grip and performance. Therefore, only perfectly cut pieces proceed to the next stages of production. This step ensures that every shoe maintains the high standards of quality expected by customers. The precise cutting of leather and other materials is not limited to the visible parts of the shoe. Even the inner linings, heel linings, and other hidden elements undergo the same rigorous cutting process to ensure quality throughout the shoe. These components, while not as visible, play a crucial role in the overall functionality, comfort, and longevity of the shoe. A well-constructed shoe depends on the harmony between these internal components and the external ones, and that begins with precise cutting. Whether in the context of artisanal or industrial production, cutting and shaping the leather are fundamental steps in creating high-quality shoes. This level of precision is what ensures that shoes not only look aesthetically pleasing, but also provide the perfect fit and exceptional durability. Without accurate cutting, it would be impossible to guarantee the comfort, style, and longevity that high-end shoes are known for. As the process moves forward from the cutting stage to the stitching and assembly, the quality of the cut remains an essential foundation for the final product. If the components are not cut with precision, even the best stitching and assembly techniques will struggle to make the shoe fit correctly and function effectively. Thus, cutting is one of the most critical stages in the shoe production process, as it lays the groundwork for everything that follows. The application of technology has certainly revolutionized the way shoes are manufactured, enabling companies to scale production while maintaining a high degree of precision. In the past, handmade cutting was the norm, but modern technology has provided new ways to optimize the production process. The introduction of laser cutting machines, for instance, has allowed for faster turnaround times and consistent results, making it possible to meet the growing demand for high-quality footwear in both the artisanal and mass-market sectors. However, despite technological advances, the craftsmanship involved in the cutting and shaping of leather remains essential. Many high-end brands still rely on skilled artisans to cut the leather by hand, ensuring that every shoe is unique and meticulously crafted. This blend of tradition and technology has led to the creation of shoes that not only meet functional needs, but also embody the artistry and craftsmanship that make them stand out in a crowded market. The overall success of the shoe production process, whether for mass-market products or luxury items, hinges on the cutting and shaping of materials. By combining time-tested techniques with modern advancements, footwear manufacturers are able to produce shoes that are not only visually appealing, but also highly functional and comfortable to wear. For the customer, this means that every pair of shoes is a product of meticulous design, skilled craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology that ensures both beauty and performance. To summarize, cutting and shaping are pivotal to the production of high-quality footwear. These processes require a combination of precision, skill, and technology to guarantee that each piece of leather and other materials is shaped and cut to perfection. Whether done by hand or with advanced machinery, the goal is the same: to create shoes that provide an ideal fit, exceptional comfort, and long-lasting durability. Each step in the process, from cutting to assembly, plays a vital role in producing shoes that meet the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. The cutting and shaping of leather, therefore, represent the foundation of footwear manufacturing, ensuring that each shoe not only meets functional requirements but also achieves a level of craftsmanship that is appreciated by both artisans and customers alike. This foundational stage is what makes the difference between an average pair of shoes and one that is truly exceptional, capable of offering both style and comfort for years to come. After the cutting and shaping of the leather pieces, one of the most important stages in the production of high-quality shoes begins: stitching and assembly. This process requires skill, precision, and attention to detail, as it is at this moment that the shoe acquires its shape, durability, and comfort. Each previously cut leather piece must be joined with extreme accuracy. The stitching process can be carried out manually by highly experienced artisans, ensuring a flawless finish, or by specialized machines that create firm and uniform stitches. The stitches play an essential role in the durability of the shoe. A poorly executed stitch can compromise the structure of the footwear, leading to tears and deformations over time. Therefore, high-quality materials are used, such as threads resistant to friction, moisture, and temperature variations. Beyond functionality, stitching also adds aesthetic value to the shoe. In some models, visible stitches become part of the design, giving a sophisticated and handcrafted appearance. The most refined shoes often feature reinforced stitching in high-impact areas, such as the junction between the upper and the sole. After stitching, the assembly process begins, which is the core of shoe manufacturing. The upper, which is the top part of the shoe, must be shaped to fit the foot perfectly. This process can be done using wooden or plastic molds, where the leather is stretched and secured to acquire the ideal contour. Assembly involves different techniques, depending on the style and level of sophistication of the shoe. Some of the main techniques used are Goodyear welt, a traditional process where the sole is stitched to the upper, providing exceptional durability and comfort. This method allows for sole replacement when necessary, extending the shoe's lifespan. Blake stitch, a technique where the stitching passes through both the sole and the insole, ensuring a lighter and more flexible shoe, ideal for elegant and sophisticated models. Cemented construction, widely used in modern industrial production, this method consists of gluing the sole to the upper with special adhesives, ensuring a strong and long-lasting bond. The final stage of assembly is the attachment of the sole, which can be done in two main ways: gluing or stitching. Gluing, industrial-grade adhesives with high resistance, are used to ensure a strong and durable bond. After applying the adhesive, the shoe undergoes a pressing process where pressure and heat are applied to reinforce adhesion. This technique is widely used in the production of sports and casual footwear due to the lightness and flexibility it provides. Stitching, a traditional method used in premium shoes, such as dress and formal models. It ensures superior durability, allowing the sole to be replaced without compromising the shoe's structure. This technique requires more time and skill, making the process more costly, but resulting in a product of the highest quality. After assembly, each shoe undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the brand's quality standards. During this phase, the following aspects are checked: fit and comfort. The shoe must properly conform to the foot without excessive tightness or unwanted looseness. Stitching strength. Each stitch is examined to guarantee firmness and durability. Sole adhesion. If the sole is glued, a traction test is performed to ensure perfect bonding. Finishing and details. Small aesthetic defects can compromise the shoe's appearance, so each piece is manually inspected. Shoes that pass this inspection move on to the final stage, finishing and packaging, where they receive the final touches before being sent to the market. Stitching and assembly are, without a doubt, the heart of high-quality shoe manufacturing. This process combines tradition and innovation, ensuring that each pair is not only beautiful but also comfortable and durable. Before reaching stores, comfy shoes undergo thorough testing to ensure they meet high standards of comfort, durability, and resistance. The testing phase ensures that each pair of shoes provides the best experience for customers, whether for long-lasting wear or daily comfort. The first step involves testing the materials used in the shoes. Every component, from the upper leather to the sole and insole, is carefully examined for resilience. Moisture resistance is a critical factor, as shoes must withstand various environmental conditions. Whether exposed to rain or humidity, the materials need to maintain their form and integrity. Leather or fabric used for the upper part of the shoe is tested for its ability to repel water, ensuring the shoes remain functional even in challenging weather. The shoes are also tested for wear and tear. Since shoes are worn daily, they must endure constant friction and pressure. The soles, in particular, are subjected to tests that simulate walking and running to assess how well they withstand stress. The tread patterns are examined to ensure they provide enough grip and support, crucial for preventing slips and falls. The shoes must also resist abrasion over time to maintain their durability. Impact resistance is another essential test. During daily use, shoes are exposed to impacts, especially when walking on hard surfaces. The materials are tested for their shock absorption properties, particularly the insoles and midsoles, to ensure comfort and protection from excessive strain. This is especially important for shoes designed for long periods of use, ensuring they provide support and minimize the risk of injury. After the materials pass these tests, the shoes undergo a thorough inspection. Each pair is checked for proper assembly, secure stitching, and flawless construction. Any defects or irregularities are addressed before the shoes continue to the packaging phase. Quality control ensures that every pair adheres to the brand's high standards. Once the shoes pass quality control, they are carefully packaged to protect them during transport. Durable boxes, often printed with the brand's logo, ensure that the shoes maintain their shape and structure. Soft padding or tissue paper is placed inside the box to prevent movement and damage. The packaging not only serves as protection, but also enhances the unboxing experience, reinforcing the high quality of the product. Many brands now prioritize eco-friendly packaging, using recyclable or biodegradable materials to reduce their environmental impact. This eco-conscious approach aligns with the growing consumer preference for sustainable products while still ensuring the shoes are protected during shipment. After packaging, each pair is labeled with shipping details and sent to distributors and retail stores worldwide. Whether through physical stores or online retailers, the shoes are now ready to reach consumers, ready to deliver comfort and style. Once the shoes arrive at stores or online platforms, they are ready for customers to purchase. Whether displayed on shelves or featured in online listings, the superior quality and comfort of the shoes are immediately noticeable. The testing and packaging processes ensure that customers receive shoes that not only look great, but also perform well. For consumers, purchasing a pair of comfy shoes is more than just acquiring a product. It's about enjoying the result of expert craftsmanship, thorough testing, and thoughtful packaging. The shoes provide lasting comfort, performance, and style, ensuring that customers enjoy their investment for a long time. From testing materials for durability to ensuring impeccable packaging, every step of the process is designed to create a shoe that exceeds expectations. Rigorous quality testing ensures that the shoes will perform as promised, providing comfort and durability. The careful packaging guarantees the shoes arrive in perfect condition, ready to offer the best experience to the consumer. By focusing on every detail from material selection to testing, packaging, and distribution, manufacturers ensure that customers receive a product that is comfortable, stylish, and built to last. This commitment to quality is what sets premium shoes apart, ensuring they provide exceptional value and satisfaction to consumers everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this content. Your subscription and support are essential for us to continue bringing you more videos with valuable tips and incredible content. Turn on the bell so you don't miss any news.